PR chances you're going to have it. That's for sure. How hard it is, to cover full study cost in scholarship within Australia. Rafiq, this is very difficult to say because you have to go with your instinct. You have to understand that, whether you are capable enough, to cover your study. If you make up your mind, to cover your full study cost while staying in Australia, it is certainly possible. But if you are not able to do that, I certainly cannot, help you in that. But yes, as I said, the 85, 90% of money still would be able to recover. As far as 10, 50, 20% cost is there, I feel that, you have to give a benefit of doubt, because we need to make sure that, education cannot get valued, as far as money is concerned. We just have to make sure that, you should be focusing on, getting the best universities degree, getting a good universities degree. And even after, getting a degree, especially, like either it's a Latrobe is there, Western Sydney is there, Swinburne is there, or maybe Deakin is there. We always, advise you that, go for that. Once having a degree in your hand, certainly you're going to earn money. Nirali, is Orange having any good institute for master course? Sorry, Nirali, I'm not getting your question. I don't know what is Orange. Uh, some say Australia gives much less scholarship than the other country. How much it is true? Uh, Rafiq, I think you have any problem. You know what we can do? We can process your application and we can, submit the scholarship. Then you will get to know that, what sort of scholarship. I clearly told you that, as far as diploma leading to bachelor is concerned, up to 20% of scholarship is acceptable. So yes, we can at least offer you, up to 20% of the scholarship if you're falling into that academic criteria of the colleges or the university where we've been processing upon. Which country is best for master in civil engineering between Canada and Australia? Uh, as far as civil is concerned, guys, both the countries, probably would have a you know good amount of eligibility criteria, because if you are having 65, 70 percentage plus, I would rather reckon to go for Canada. And if you have something between 60 plus or something, I would rather reckon you to go and apply for the Australia as well, because in Canada, civil is going to be again a little more competitive. But again, guys, today it's for Australia things. So for any doubts for Canada, I would really request to visit to our office, or maybe you can reach us to via email, or maybe can call us as well. How hard it is to cover? I think I've answered that questions. Ravi, in Australia, is this possible? A 1 year course of study after how many years of a day? No, Ravi, Australia, there is a graduate certificate program available for year and year and a half as well. But if you're not thinking to go for a PR or not work permit, I can certainly offer that, because Australia has a clear indication that while not completing 2 years of study, you're not supposed to apply for any post-study work, Ravi. So I would really request you that, to apply for at least a 2 year study, where based on that, you can certainly going to get, your post-study work. I mean, while having a 2 years of completion of a study only, we're supposed to have your 2 years of post-study work, 3 years of post-study work, or 4 years of post-study work. Sorry. This is the contact details has been mentioned by team member, that if they want to reach out to us on any of these now contact number or something. Again, IELTS or PT for Australia. Jay, if you are certainly planning for Australia, I would reckon that PT would be the best solution, because it's going to be easily available. And at the same time, if you are from Gujarat, the centers have already started accepting PT as well, where for IELTS we can't see that any of the sign as of now to open up the centers. So if you are thinking to go for a next upcoming intake, I would certainly say that let's go and apply for PT center as well. Since PT centers are already open, we can go and get the book registration. We are again offering online classes for PT as well. So before you appear for the test, in case if you're seeking for a month help or month and a half help, we are there to help out in terms of cracking your PT score as well. We got a question from 1 second, guys. Again, sorry. Okay, so is Australia possible? No, I've given that answer. You mentioned it's a bit difficult to get a part-time job in Sydney. Can you explain a bit more about that? Uh, because Sydney is going to be very much crowded. So what is usually happening is that there are a lot of other regions in Australia who is not that with the locality and everything. So based on that, we always make sure that the student, because anyway, being a student, you only supposed to work for a part time, right? So we just understand that we have to be opportunistic. We just need to understand wherever we see that there are little less crowd, there are good opportunity we are getting in terms of the education. Along with that, we have to understand that if you are getting a good accommodation, because if you're planning to stay in Sydney, one thing is particular, you're paying little more for accommodation. And second thing, you are again going to pay little more tuition fees to the institute as well. So keeping that into the mind, I feel that if Sydney